What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today, I'm super excited because we're gonna be testing a bunch of new makeup. The amount of DMs I have gotten about this Rudolph collection from ColourPop, like so many. So we're gonna be testing that. I have the viral Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand, new foundation, new concealer, a bunch of stuff. So I'm really excited. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right on into the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already and click the little bell right next to the subscribe button so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I already primed my face. I just use a little bit of the Hollywood Flawless Filter from Charlotte Tilbury. If you have watched my channel, then you've already heard me rave about this in like 57 videos, so I'll spare you this time, but it is just so beautiful. So I have some glowiness on my face from that product. Love it. And we are just gonna jump right into a new product that I stumbled across at Walmart. And this is the CoverGirl Outlast Extreme Wear 3-in-1 foundation. So I have not heard anything about this, but it is new. They had like a big display and I was like, oh, what is this? I have not heard anything about this. So I picked it up. It's supposed to be full coverage. It has SPF 18 in it, 24-hour wear. Like, I'm very excited. I got shade Warm Beige. Hopefully that will work. So let's just go on in and see. Has a little pump top, pump some out and apply. Okay, so that is about a pump and a half. I'm just gonna go in with my little Eco Tool sponge and blend. It looks a smidge on the light side, but I actually think it's like morphing into my skin pretty well. I can't believe I've seen nothing about this. Like, I feel like normally new drugstore foundations, like a lot of people talk about them, but I have not really seen this. I was such a big fan of the CoverGirl Elixir foundation, but they got rid of that, which makes me really sad. So let's see about this one. Okay, this is beautiful. Why have I not like heard anything about this? Look at this coverage though. Like, gave such a good coverage to my face. Blends it out super easily. I don't know if it's supposed to be like a matte finish. Okay, a naturally flawless finish, which is exactly what I would say it is. It's not like matte, it's not dewy, it's just kind of like natural, which is what I prefer. This foundation is really nice. Like, I am very impressed. I'm very excited that I just literally stumbled across this at Walmart. I will update the description box on how this lasts throughout the day. It's kind of a gloomy day, so it looks like it's dark behind me, but it's only 12 o'clock in the afternoon, so I will wear this all day long and update the description on how it lasts. But so far, I really like it. Okay, up next, this is another product that I feel like went pretty viral. The foundation was very popular from this brand. This is the Catrice True Skin High Coverage Concealer. So I tried the foundation. A lot of people really love that. And I did think it was nice, but the concealer I've heard a lot about. It's supposed to be super full coverage, but not drying. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It is waterproof also, and supposed to be like super long lasting, soft matte finish, not settle into fine lines. It has a lot of claims. So I have a couple different shades here. I think I will do 15 Warm Vanilla and see how that kind of looks. Cute packaging. I like the packaging. Little doe foot applicator. So let's just go in. Ooh, it feels like really cooling to the under eyes, which is nice. And the little applicator has a really good movement to it. Like, it's not hard, because it's the worst when a concealer has like a really hard applicator and then I feel like you're tugging on your under eye area, which is the last place that you want to tug. So that's really nice. Gonna bring some in the center planes of my face also and cover up any blemishes. Okay, let's blend and see. Blending out super easily, which is good. I feel like the real area you can really tell is when we get to the under eyes. So I always do that last. Did a good job concealing my blemishes though. Like, with this and the foundation, it's like they're gone, which is nice. Now let's try these under eyes. Wow, okay, this is really nice too. We are like hitting the jackpot today with good products. Dang. I think I definitely like the concealer better than the foundation. Like, this concealer is really nice. That covered up my under eye circles really well. Does not feel drying. Of course, we'll have to see if it does crease and stuff, so I will keep you guys updated on that, but looks and feels really good upon initial application. So I like that a lot. All right, so complexion is done. We're gonna move into cream products. I am so excited to try this Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. I have the shade Pinkgasm, which literally went viral after Madison Beer used it in her makeup tutorial, and it looked so stinking beautiful on her. So I'm so excited. Before we go in with this, I'm gonna just jump in with their Hollywood contour wand just to contour out my face a little bit. And then we're gonna go in with that viral blush. But I'm gonna use a little bit of this just to contour the cheeks first and a little bit on my forehead. I wanna thank Charlotte Tilbury so much for partnering with me on this section of today's video, but I'm so excited. I have tried so many of her products this year and have just been blown away. So I actually tried this in a different shade and loved it, but this is the one that Madison used that went like super viral. So it was sold out for a really long time, so I haven't gotten a chance to try it. So it just looks like this, similar to the contour one top. You just twist it open and then squeeze some out onto the cheeks. So I'm just gonna dot it like this. Madison used like a lot in her tutorial, so I'm just gonna go like this. She basically said that if she could only ever have like one product, this would be it, and she is beautiful. So let's see if this turns me into her. Probably not, but it is stunning. It's like the prettiest peachy kind of pink with like a pretty little sheen to it. So, so pretty. And the Charlotte Tilbury team told me that when they went to do the global restock for this, they had a wait list of 50,000 people to get this, which is like insane, but it is in stock. So get it while you still can. I will have it linked down below in the description box. And they have tons of different holiday sales going on right now. So I'll have it all linked down below, like with the exact deal that they have going on and discounts and stuff, but lots of sales. And they have the cutest little holiday sets. Like I saw this one and I was like, oh, their airbrush flawless setting spray is also going viral right now. I have the regular size one and love it, but they have this cute little set where you get 2 different travel size ones, which I love. So that will all be linked down below if you guys want to check it out. But this blush is so pretty. Definitely understand why it went viral. Complexion is looking on point today. Just setting my under eyes with the Makeup Forever HD setting powder. I love this for the under eyes because it helps to really brighten them up. And I always set my concealer regardless of which one I'm using. So I want to set like the Catrice one so we can see how it lasts throughout the day, like in the same way that I would use my other concealers. And then to set all over the face, I'm going to go in with this little mini from Charlotte Tilbury. How cute is this? It's their Airbrush Flawless Finish setting powder. So just going to use that all over the face to set everything in place. All right, back in the brows are filled. Shout out Manny MUA for that little phrase. But we are going to jump into the ColourPop Rudolph palette. This is so cute. Like when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, because ColourPop comes out with a bunch of different collections. So, but this one really, really caught my eye. I absolutely love the holidays and love Rudolph and thought that this was so cute. We get a nice mirror in this palette, which I love, and 15 different shades. So gonna go in first with Eat Eat. And I'm just gonna use this as a neutral transition in the crease and just blending that right on out. Then I'm gonna jump in with Little Buck and just use that to further deepen the crease area. This is like a medium toned warm brown. So I'm just gonna buff that right on in there. So far, everything's blending super easily. Seems to be the same pigmentation as always. That's one thing I really admire about ColourPop is I feel like they're one of the few brands that I find their products are very, very consistent in quality. Sometimes from some brands, like I'll try an eyeshadow palette that I love and then they'll come out with a different one and I don't like it. And it seems like they're just completely different in quality, where ColourPop is like always the same. So definitely something that I appreciate about their brand. Okay, now let's bring in some of these red tones. I'm gonna go in with the shade Full Power, which is like a maroon kind of color. And I'm gonna work that into the outer corner. Ooh, this is so pretty. I love like deep kind of maroon reds like this. So beautiful. And you guys know, as always, I do have an affiliate code with ColourPop. It's code Kelly, which that'll give you 10% off. And it does include this collection as well if you want to get anything. Also, you guys, let me know down below any Black Friday sales that you plan on shopping. I feel like overwhelmed this year because I feel like they start so early now. Like it's not even, they don't even start on Black Friday anymore. Like they start like the week of. And I just feel like there's so much stuff. So let me know where you guys think you saw like the best sales down below in the comments. I would love to check some of them out. I have a lot of gifts I gotta buy for friends and family. And I feel like whenever I'm Black Friday shopping, I always end up buying something for myself too. So let me know. I am gonna be having a Black Friday sale on my necklaces. Mine is going to be on actual Black Friday. So follow me on Instagram to hear more details about that. I'll be announcing the sale and stuff on Black Friday. I'm wearing the Fearless necklace today, but we're gonna have a good sale. Okay, this shadow is so pretty. I'm gonna go in now with this center shade. This is Handsome Nose. I'm just gonna use a little flat top brush with this. And I'm gonna pack this right here. And this, oh my gosh, this is a dry flat top brush too. Look how pretty that is. I'm gonna do this about halfway on the lid and blend it into that darker outer color. Very pretty foiled shade. Same thing on the other eye. Then on the rest of the eye, I'm gonna go in with Misfit Toys. It's like a lighter color. It kind of has like a purpley undertone to it. Looks really pretty. And I'm gonna pack that on to the rest of the eye. Ooh, so pretty. Oh, I love this. And then just kind of blend them together where they meet. So stinking pretty. Okay, now I'm gonna jump in with a highlight. I'm gonna go in with the shade North Pole. It looks so pretty, like a pretty shimmer highlight, which is what I love. And I'm gonna put that in the inner corner. Oh, yes. Love, love, love. These are my favorite kind of highlights. Light and bright and shimmery. So pretty. Love that. Same thing on the other eye. Then I'm going to jump in with the shade Ready Santa. This is the darkest shade in the palette. And I'm just going to use a liner brush. And I am going to pack it onto the lower lash line. And then I'm also going to bring it up here and pack it onto the upper lash line only about halfway. And just do a little wing. Sorry, my camera stopped filming, but I am going in with the shade Up, Up, and Away right here, which is like a a pretty kind of purpley brown shimmer and just buffing that on the lower lash line, just so everything blends out. Literally so pretty. This palette works really, really nicely. I really like this palette. I love the look that I was able to create. And I feel like there are so many different looks that you can create with this. I did one that's a little bit more colorful, like with the reds and the purples and stuff, but then you also have the greens if you want to go that route, or there's a ton of neutrals where you could just do a completely brown neutral look as well for a more everyday. So even though it's a Christmas theme, definitely could be used all throughout the year. I think this is really, really cute. I like it and it worked really well. Okay, I'm just gonna pop on some mascara real quick to finish off the eye look. I'm using this Rare Beauty one. It's actually really, really good. I've really been enjoying a lot of Rare Beauty products actually. Like the brand is very, very good. You never know when there's like a celeb makeup brand if they're just gonna kind of like slap their name on subpar products or actually like do it right. Like I feel like Rihanna is another example of somebody, like Fenty is really good stuff, you know? And I feel like Rare Beauty is the same thing. Products are actually really good. This is their newer mascara that they came out with. Okay, mascara is done. I'm gonna pop on some lashes as well. I wanna show you guys, I love these. I've already used one of them, but they are the Huda Beauty X Lottie. I hope these are still available. Lashes, and basically what I do is I just cut them in half and use them as half lashes. So pretty. The best kind of lashes to make half lashes, like if you're making your own, are to find ones that are shorter on either end and longest in the middle, so then you can cut them right in half and have them be tapered. So a set of lashes ends up making 4 actually. So I basically just fold it in half and then snip right down the center. And then you get a little half lash. I'm just gonna pop these right on the eyes. So pretty, obsessed. All right, lashes are on and secured. Now let's go ahead and just finish off the face. All we have to do is highlight because we already have the blush and the bronzer, but there is a highlighter in the ColourPop Rudolph collection. This is what it looks like. I haven't even swatched it yet. Ooh. Kind of has like a peachy undertone to it. Very pretty. Let's jump in and see how it applies to the skin. Ooh, very pretty. Actually turns more like pinky, less peach once it's actually on the skin, but very pretty nonetheless. And definitely more on the icy kind of side. I like my highlights a little bit more golden, but if you have really fair skin, I think this would be really, really pretty. Or a similar skin tone to me. I would say if your skin is any deeper, this will probably be too light, like too icy, but is a pretty kind of icy highlight, which I guess goes with the like Christmas Rudolph theme. Okay, now we of course have some lippies to try as well. So there's 2 different little lip sets, which I love when ColourPop does these lip sets. One is There's Always Tomorrow. So you get a lip pencil and a little lipstick. This is such pretty packaging. It's like red sparkles, very, very pretty. So we'll swatch them. There's the lip pencil or lip liner, and then let's do the lipstick. Ooh, very pretty, and I love that they're the same. I can't tell you how many brands do these duo things, and then the lip liner and the lipstick are like completely different and don't even go with each other. Thankfully, these are the same, so that's really pretty, like a deep red that's beautiful for the holidays. And then we have I Think You're Cute. Let's see what this one is. I think this is gonna be more of like a nude, so that is the lip liner, very pretty, and then the lipstick. Ooh, that looks right up my alley, like totally something that I would use. Okay, maybe I'll just try both of them so I can show you what both look like. Okay, let's do I Think You're Cute first, which is the nude one. Line our lips. Ooh, this liner is like right up my alley. And then let's go in with the lipstick. Yes! Oh my God, this is beautiful. Obsessed. Honestly, probably my favorite like lip color that ColourPop has ever done. This is so good. These are my favorite kind of nudes. Like this is really, really pretty. Love that. But I will take it off to show you guys the red option. Gonna line the lips. Kind of a messy job lining the lips today. Sorry about that. Now let's go in with the lipstick. So again, this is the shade Rudolph. Oh my gosh, wow. How pretty. Doesn't really go with our eyes. Like I feel like it's a bit much with the eyes, but this with like a classic wing or something for like a holiday look, beautiful. Really pretty, like deeper red. I love this. So pretty. They definitely killed it with the lippies on this collection. They also have this little Couple of Misfits set that has lip gloss in it. So there's 3 different lip glosses. You get kind of like a clear, a more red, and then a more peachy tone one. So I'm gonna go in with like the red one. This one is in the shade Dolly. And apply it on top. Ooh, these smell so good. Oh my gosh. Love the scent, like vanilla cupcake or something. They smell really nice. And just add a little glossy juiciness to the lips. Ooh, beautiful. They killed it on this collection, honestly. I really, really like it. And then last but not least, set everything in place. We're gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This little holiday set is so cute. And we're just gonna set everything down. And let me tell you, when you use this stuff, like your makeup is not gonna move. Like it really locks it in place. So definitely good if you like work long hours, feel like your makeup never stays in your face, you really need something, this definitely really works. All right, you guys, so that is everything. We tried so many good products today. I am so happy with how everything turned out. Like I feel like everything we tried was really, really good and worked beautifully together. Like the complexion products, the eye products, everything. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. This will probably be my last upload before Thanksgiving. So I wanted to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving if you do celebrate. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.